everyone. Welcome back to Salmon and Cod Playtime. I cannot wait to play with you today. So today we're going to talk about some very, very silly numbers, and I can't wait for you to play with us. So this, if I can get it, I didn't even have them on the board. This is going to be me today. Say hi, me. Aren't I cute? I'm so cute. So today we're going to talk about me and my house. This is my house. It's cozy and wonderful. It's got books inside and board games and computers and TVs and all sorts of fun things inside my house. I love being inside my house. My house is my happy place. Yay! Happy! Yay! But sometimes I like going outside. And my house is situated in a yard that's really, really big. I have a front yard, which is over here. And behind my house, I have a backyard, which is over here. Now, as you can see, I have a pet. This is my pet. Isn't he cute? His name is Strawberry. Isn't he cute? Well, Strawberry has to have a fenced yard, or Strawberry would run away. So we always keep Strawberry in the backyard in this nice little fenced-in area. Because if she wasn't fenced in, she would run away and she could get lost and hurt and it would be awful. So anytime I want to play with Strawberry, I have to go in my backyard. Yay, Strawberry! But sometimes I want to play in the front yard with my friends. So I go over this way and I'm in my front yard. Okay? Now my house is right here on this big 0. 0 means I haven't gone anywhere. I'm home. I haven't gone in my front yard. Haven't gone in my backyard. I'm just nice and comfy. Now, when I go in my front yard, I can go 1 sidewalk step into my front yard. I can go 2 sidewalk steps into my front yard. I could go 3 steps, 4 steps, 5 steps. You get the picture. These are little sidewalk squares. Now, if I go in my backyard, I also go to step number 1. Step number 1 away from my house. Then I can go to the second sidewalk step in my backyard. Then I can go to the 3rd sidewalk step in my backyard. 4th and 5th. You kind of see how that works? They both go away from the house. Now, to show that I'm going in the front yard, I would just write a regular number like the number 5. Regular number. And that shows that I'm going in the front yard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sidewalk steps into my front yard. Now, if I came and I wrote the number, here, let's use 2 markers. I did the number with a little minus sign at the very top of it, and I did a -5. That minus right there is my fence. Do you see how that's part of my fence that keeps little Strawberry in? That's the little row, my little fence row right there, holding my fence together. So this shows I'm in the backyard, where the fence is. I'm in the backyard 5 spots. So let's go in the backyard, and now let's go 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm in the backyard 5 spots, because that little fence is in the backyard, keeping little Strawberry nice and safe, because we love her and we want to keep her very safe. Okay, let's start at my house again. Let's do some different numbers. This time, let's do, here, let's take these off real quick. We're not doing these right now. I didn't even know I had them on there right now. Okay, let's do, for now, let's do the number 2. If I had the number 2 over here, I would just go 1, 2, because that's front yard space. I'd go 2 spots, 2 sidewalk spots in the front yard. But if I came over here and I did a fence row 2, that means, little -2, that means I'm in the backyard, because that's part of my backyard fence. Backyard 2. Let's go in the backyard, and let's go 2 spots. Ready? 1 sidewalk spot, 2 sidewalk spots. That means, that little sign means I'm in the backyard, and I've gone 2 spots in the backyard. I cannot talk. My speech is getting all jumbly. My goodness. Let's do another one. Let's do another number. Let's do these numbers. These are, oh, nope. I don't have that many. let's see, I've got this number, and I've got, I guess these will work. We've already done these, but these will work. So what if I had a 2 over here and a fence row 1 over here? Well, for the 2, I'd start at my house, and I'd go 1 sidewalk square, 2 sidewalk squares, right? I've got 2 spots. But if I wanted to do this is called a negative 1, that means my fence row. That's my little fence row that I drew. That means I'm in the backyard, and I go 1 spot in my backyard. So ready? Boom, 1 spot into my backyard. That's how far I've traveled. Little Strawberry will have to come to me because I didn't go very far in that yard, did I? Good, Strawberry. You're such a good little Strawberry. Okay, let's go again. What if we did, let's come over here and let's do the number 4 on this side. We'll do the number 4 on this side too. That'll make sense, right? So if I did this one first, we start at my house, at the 0 at my house, and let's go 4 spots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where I'd be. I'd be on the 4th sidewalk square, okay? But what if I start at 0 and I go in my backyard 4 spots? This means backyard because it's part of my backyard fence. So I'm going to go in the backyard 4 spots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I've traveled this far into my backyard. Hi, Strawberry. Come play with me, buddy. Come on, honey. Let's go play. Throw the stick. Get the stick. Get the stick. Bring it back. Good, Strawberry. Yay. Very good, Strawberry. All right. Remember, when you see this little number or this little sign above a number, it means you're playing in the backyard. And if it's not there, that means that you're playing in your front yard. Because numbers are just like yards. Front yard, backyard. And that's all that little sign means. It means you're playing on the sidewalk in your backyard. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or however many squares you want to go. Some people have very big backyards. Some people can go, let's say, 100 squares into their back. Whoops. Wow. My finger slipped. Jeez. Some people can go 100 squares into their backyard. That's a big backyard. Some people have smaller backyards. They can only go like 20 steps into their backyard. But that's okay. Doesn't mean it's a bad backyard. It just means it's fun. It's kind of cozy. That's all. Okay? So there are front yard numbers and backyard numbers. And when you see a little sign that looks like a little line, just remember it looks like the little line that's holding your fence together. It's just a little fenced-in number, which means you're in the backyard. You're going into the backyard from your house. Okay? Always from your house. You're in the backyard. Okay? All right. We'll play again later.